with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Christine, and if you are returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. So guys, today is it's a morning and I'm preparing breakfast. So today I'm going to have strong tea with some pancakes. Yeah, so we're making some pancakes with strong tea. I really love taking strong tea. I don't normally take milk tea so much. Yeah, I prefer strong tea to milk tea. So let's go ahead and prepare these pancakes, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please share, leave a comment down below, and do not skip the ads, because that is where we get motivation to continue making content.
Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin.
So I've used the easiest method of making pancakes. I've just mixed dry ingredients together, that is flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt together. Then the wet ingredients I've just poured into the dry ingredients and mixed them together. Yeah, that is a very simplest method of making pancakes. And guys, I really love these pans, not pans. I really love these pots of mine. Yeah, so this one is like a pan. It's like a pan for the full set. Yeah, but you can also use it for cooking stew. Yeah, so I decided to use it to try it out, and guys, they are coming out perfectly fine. So I had seen also pans from Turkey, this type, and flat pans. So I will just go, and I think I will purchase one goes for 3k Kenya shillings. I'll just save for that and go purchase one. I know it will help me a lot, and it will be useful in this house, and it will serve me for long, guys, because these pots are just perfect, and they are of good quality.
An perfect night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. An perfect night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. We are not alone.
So I decided to accompany this with some arrowroots, leftover arrowroots that were in the fridge, and breakfast was yummy. So later in the afternoon, I just wanted to fold these clothes. So in my last video, I had told you guys that I had a lot of laundry to do, and I finally did them. I did the laundry, so I need to fold these clothes and then organize them, because yeah, I don't want to pile clothes, and this bed is for you. So if I leave any unkept any laundry here that is not folded and kept well, the kids will just come and clutter everything everywhere, and it will be wasted time. Yeah, so the clothes will get dirty again. They will just be everywhere. So I need to make sure that these ones are kept safely.
Another fake night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my referee, there's holy light. Without an armor, we stand and fight. Another fake night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my referee, there's holy light. Without an armor, we stand and fight. Another fake night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my referee, there's holy light.
I am done, so let me organize this behind camera, guys. So while I was just making the bed, I came across these papers, and these are letters that Nicolette's friends wrote to her when she was admitted in the hostel. Actually, they came to visit her, and I took them to the hostel, and they gave her so many letters. So I was just going through to see what they wrote. So after folding the clothes and keeping them safe, I needed to make this soap for a client. Yeah, this client had watched my video, my previous video, while I was making my home soap for use, for my personal use, and she wanted me to make for her some 25-liter soap so that I can send it to Nyanza County, there to Migori County. So I'm just trying to pour the chemicals in a bucket, and I had bought them in 2 packages, 5 kg and 20 kg. So I'm just pouring everything together, and making soap is very easy. You just pour all the chemicals that you are given together, apart from perfume and color here, and you get to mix them thoroughly. Then add water little by little as you stir. Add water little by little as you stir until the soap is done. Then later you can add in your food, your color, and then you can add your perfume.
Can I ask you, was it something I did? Still I wonder, cause it isn't too clear. I don't want no trouble, tired of the lies. You found yourself another, heart as cold as ice. I'm trying to recover, do you even realize?
So for the color, I always prefer diluting it in a little water, then just pour the water in the soap and then mix well. That way it's easier, it mixes well faster. Yeah, so that is what I prefer doing. Then after mixing the color, that is when I will put in my perfume and mix together and leave it for a night.
Heart as cold as ice, I'm trying to recover. Do you even realize? I don't want no trouble, tired of the lies. You found yourself another, heart as cold as ice.
This is the next morning. I had left the soap overnight. Yeah, it's usually advisable to just let it settle there overnight. Yeah, so I'm pouring the soap in this 10 liter jerry cans. Yeah, so I will pour in 2 10 liters and 1 5 liter. That makes it 25 liters. Then I will go and parcel the soap.
Can I ask you, was it something I did? Still I wonder, cause it isn't too clear. I don't want no trouble, tired of the lies. You found yourself another, heart as cold as ice. I'm trying to recover, do you even realize? I'm taking everything you want.
So the soap is done and you can see it's down there. I just want to package it, but first of all we are packaging these other items. The same client had bought some very nice heavy pots. Yeah, they are not non-stick, but they are very, very nice, very good quality red berry pots, 4 pieces. Yeah, size 10, 8, 6 and 4. Yeah, so I'm just packaging them with some kitchen rack, and hubby is helping me package them well so that he can take them to Coach for parceling. We'll also package the soap because the two packages are going together to one client.
You found yourself another, heart as cold as ice.
So I need to wash this balcony. It's been a while since I deep cleaned it very well. So I'll be starting with cleaning the shoes that were here. Yeah, then I will later on clean the balcony.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing.
So I want to take this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers to this channel, and it's been a while since I introduced myself to them, so let me just let them know about my channel. So my name is Christine. I'm a mother of 3 twins who are 4 years old, a boy and a girl, and my firstborn is 12 now. Yeah, she's a girl. So I do content on homemaking videos, that is cleaning, motherhood, cooking, and the rest. I also do Kamkunji hauls, and I also run errands in Kamkunji, Isili, and even Kikomba. So if you're interested in such work, please don't hesitate to contact me. I always leave my number in the description box. Yeah, feel free to reach me out, and we will talk it out.
It's not a thing. It's not a thing. We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. If it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing. we're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing.
So I'm done, and I've pushed this container just a little bit in front because this space I'm putting this white bucket for garbage, and then the others have our soap. One has soap, other toilet soap, and the other ones have jik. Yeah, so that is where they will stay, and my whole balcony is sparkling clean. So thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye.
So